Alright, it's day 4 for my baby birds. They're getting big. Look at that. Where's your mama? Cheep, cheep. Here she is over here. She's mad. She's up under my car, growling at me. There she is. She is flying around over here somewhere. She'll hang out up under the tires of my truck and the tires of my car down there, wait for me to leave. And they're in and out all day, the mother and the dad feeding them. And I found out it is a myth. They do not kill their babies. They will change nests before you, if you touch their nest before they lay, but they won't kill their babies. They'll kill other birds' babies, but not their own. But I'm not going to touch them. Look at there. Looks like there might even be 5 in there. Look at there. They are eager. Alrighty. Day 4.